welcome back. Thanks for joining me today. But today we are going to discuss complementary colors when it comes to like the color of your eyes and what color of eyeshadow is going to work the best with those very unique eye colors, because a lot of people have little flecks of different colors in their eye, like mine are green, blue, and a little bit of gray. Mixed in with a little bit of allergies. But I definitely kind of got the idea of this video from getting my hair done, finally. I had been stepping my hair up to a process where I could get it to this color without damaging it, and so I'm very happy with it. But yeah, so this kind of got me thinking that the reason I got like a burgundy color hair was because burgundy is one of the complementary colors for green blue eyes. So yes, let's go ahead and get into this video and I can show you how to get the right colors for your eye color. And also I wanted to add that I think I'm gonna start doing face masks with like every video, because I do them anyways before each makeup application on here. So I figured, you know what, let's throw it into the video so everybody knows that that's what I do. You know, I mask and then I makeup. All right, so if you like my videos, if you like me, you know what to do. Let's get on with the video. All right, so these Maskology masks come in like 3-step process packets. One is to like exfoliate and soften the skin, and then the next one is a peel off mask, and then the next thing after that is the moisturizer. Alright, I've got my packet open, and I usually just stick a brush down in there and apply. This is supposed to be color changing, so let's see. Let's see what happens. It's supposed to change to gold, I think. I don't know. It's very confusing. Have you guys been seeing those chicks online these days that they'll put like a full mask on their face and then they will like do their eye makeup? Have you seen that? It's a little crazy, but I get it. If you're a multitasker, I get it. Oh, this is the exfoliating cleanser, that's why. That's why. Well, guess we're cleansing my face first. Twice. I was gonna say, this is feeling a little gritty. Right, now we move on to the gold part, I hope. It's the peel off mask. I'm gonna just try and keep it like in the center of my face. Maskology masks don't ever smell too bad, like too weird. Got my goatee on, riding in my tractor, cheating on my baby. You can go and ask her. What is that song? Is it turning gold? Kind of. Sorta, kind of. BRB. Alright, we're gonna start peeling this off. So I just remembered that I'm actually gonna be posting this video on Memorial Day, so happy Memorial Day. Doesn't hurt at all. It's just so satisfying. Oh, can you hear? Oh. And now we moisturize. That is a thick moisturizer, y'all. She's thick. All right, so in the spirit of Memorial Day, I'll put on my cute little blue ears. I don't have like red, white, and blue ones, but you got blue, so. And of course, I'm priming my eyelids because that's what I like to do with my, you can use anything you want, but I'm using the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. Alright, so before I get jibber jabbering, I'm going to be using the NYX Swear By It palette to do my eyeshadow. Not a tutorial, but I'm going to do my makeup while we discuss the complementary colors. Now, in case you don't know, we can start right from the very beginning and talk about the color wheel. Now, if you don't know what a color wheel is, honey, just look her up, okay? Just look it up. Now, we can go ahead and start with green or greenish hazel eyes, whatever you want to call them, because mine actually change color between blue and green and gray with a little bit of flecks of yellow, a little bit, not much. But when we look at the color wheel and you look at the color green on the color wheel, to find the complementary color for your green eyes, you would want to go across the color wheel, which would be your burgundies, your purples, your coppers, your browns, things like that. Like this, I'm going to do a burgundy crease, and then I'm going to do a little bit of purple on the very outside, and then we're going to have a really nice sparkly, glittery copper lid. And all of those things should really enhance my green eyes. Now, it might not show up on video, but for sure, go check out SARAHXartistry on Instagram or Facebook, and you will be able to see in the photos for sure. My green eyes will be like... So for like blue eyes, you would do the same thing with any eye color. You would go to the color wheel, find your eye color, and just look across from it. And so I've got my burgundy and I've got my purple on. We're gonna go in with the copper tones now, and that is what will really bring out any light colored eyes, really, like green, blue, with any kind of flecks in them. It really is kind of the color. You can use copper shades for like transition shades. You can do all kinds of things with the color copper, including putting it all over your lid. Now I'm going a little bit extra tonight, and I'm gonna put glitter, copper glitter on top of this, just because, like, why not? Alright, I have got my complementary eye colors on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start with my face now and chit chat with you guys about a few things going on. So considering that today is technically Memorial Day for you guys, it's actually Friday right now while I'm filming. Wow, could this be more yellow? Might have to mix another foundation on top of this to make it work. This is the L'Oreal True Match, and it doesn't match. What do the girls say nowadays in videos? There's nothing a little bronzer can't fix. We'll just bronze it up. Disguise the ears and everything. So this week I am going back to filming for a TV pilot that we are hoping will get picked up, so then we can all have a job. Oh, you guys, this color is not good. That's probably why I haven't used it. My True Match has been sitting back there for a while, and I was like, Anyways, so it's really exciting being on set. It's a really long day to be on set, because first you do the actors and the actresses' makeup pre-shoot, and then you stay there and you basically have to do powder and hair touch-ups like every other take. Because the lights that they use for these things, I mean, they're so hot. It's like, it's ridiculous. Like, think that that's like good for the environment, but still, like, these lights would literally cook an egg if you left it there. And so they get like their forehead here. Wow, look at how shiny I still am. Ugh, moisturizer, hello. It's got pretty decent coverage. Definitely not mattifying. So let's put on my, what is this? Ooh, my Makeup Revolution concealer. But so far, everybody that I have met on set and like in production, in lighting, basically everybody that I have met on set of this TV pilot has been wonderful. Like the friendliest people ever. And the food, like the cart food, whatever you call it, snack cart, I don't know what you call it, but craft service, that's what it is, really good. They got really good food. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Local, yummy food. We dig. I gotta say, the Makeup Revolution concealer, not bad. I've only used it a couple of times, and it didn't really leave any kind of an impression on me. It's all come back, it's all coming back to me now. Yeah, it was definitely a lot of fun to participate in the women's bodybuilding competition show last weekend. That was a lot of fun. Like, I would do that again for sure. To like hang out with like super powerful, motivated women all afternoon. Sign me up. All right, I'm still a little yellow, but we're gonna go ahead and bronze, and maybe that'll fix it. That's what the kids are saying these days, so we're gonna try that. So after I'm done with shooting the TV pilot for Memorial Monday today, I have a couple of trade shoots already set up to be a part of. One is like gods and goddesses, or what is it called? The 12 Olympians. So that's one of them. And then another one is going to be like an 80s themed shoot in like a really cool looking arcade. So I'm really excited about both of those opportunities to kind of see, you know, I just love meeting the people and gaining new relationships, people that you can keep in contact with and share like your work with each other, help each other out with work, you know, me and them. So yeah, like it's really exciting to be a part of like an actual community when it comes to like work and everything like that. Like I've been a single mother for a long time. Single mother. I've been a stay-at-home mother for a really long time. So for me, it's like, I don't know. I was never one of those people that was like part of mommy clubs or like, you know, take your kid to work out with you kind of a thing. I think it's great when people do that, but it was just never really my thing. I was more or less like, let's go to the park, you know, and play together if that's what we want to do. Could I look any yellower? Is it my lighting? What's going on? I'm going to contour with my little Sunset Striptease by Wet n Wild. I like it, but I definitely like it more for contour. Moving on to blush. All right, need a little spritz. A little. I always say a little. It's a lot. Bring all that powder back to a skin finish. We're going to apply some Wet n Wild highlighter. I think this is Golden Flower Crown. All right. Am I glowing? Am I glowing? And then I'll spray one more time to make sure I melt the highlight in as well. And then that's it for the spraying. We won't spray anymore. But we will curl the lashes. All right, we're going to finish up the under eye. Now my hope and my plan for like my future is definitely, because I want to stay in Michigan as of at least right now while my kids are in school and everything, is to somehow get connected with a company who does corporate beauty, corporate like in-house commercials and product placing things and whatever. I would really like to be able to get myself into that as like the job I do on the regular. And then because it's not like a normal Monday through Friday 9 to 5 kind of a gig, I feel like I would also still have time to do like all my fun and crazy ideas that I have that, you know, just kind of sneak up on me. I don't even know where they come from most of the time. But like my creative projects and ideas, including one that I am doing on May 31st, so the last day of May, pretty much 1 week from Saturday, I think it is. I am going to be holding a boudoir shoot. Now I know it sounds like sexy and whatever, but it's not. It's gonna be romantic and a beautiful expression of love and artistry and just the whole thing. It's gonna be great. Ooh, I can finally take this off. The pain. So I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I finally did it. I finally went purple. Or burgundy is really what it's supposed to be. With a little mix of my own color, with a little mix of highlights, with a little mix of sass. And here it is, you guys, a final look for my color eyes particularly. But like I said, the pictures, they will tell a much better story than live video. So go check it out at SARAHXartistry on Facebook, on Instagram, whatevs. It's SARAHXartistry everywhere. So go ahead and check that out because the pictures will definitely tell a better story. But thanks you guys for joining me today, and I hope that you enjoyed this little lesson on complementary, sorry about my lady, on complementary colors. And if you guys have any questions about complementary colors or the color wheel or your eye color or anything, please don't be afraid to comment below. I will answer your questions and correspond with you guys through the comments. So I will see you guys next Monday. Happy Memorial Day. And thanks for watching. Bye.